New video where we'll be working with our broker. We'll connect our MetaTrader to trade with our broker and link everything to Enaria, the AI trading system. Or you can create a demo account to see how Enaria works. I didn't mention earlier, but you get 1 month free, then you decide if you want to continue with a paid membership, okay? This gives you tremendous confidence because obviously if the technology didn't work, they wouldn't offer that free month to try it out, right? We encourage you to use our links. You'll find a link to this broker below this video, or you might have received another broker link, but I recommend this one for its many advantages we'll discuss later. It's profitable, regulated in Australia, and offers benefits like cryptocurrency deposits. For us, it's very, very advantageous because we can do it from our cold wallet, which has certain benefits I won't explain here that you can take for granted, right? So, let's get started. On the main screen, click Start, and here you'll need to fill in these fields with your personal information. Use the same email you entered in Enaria, okay? Here you'll need a password, either the Google-generated one, which is already secure, or what we recommend. This is extremely important. You must save all passwords, whether on paper or on your computer. That meets all these requirements. It requires 8 to 16 characters, using at least one uppercase letter, AZ, and one lowercase letter. Then use at least one number from 0 to 9 and a special character. I suggest using one of these, a period or an exclamation mark. Good. Once you have all this in green, it means you already meet the password requirements. You don't need to fill in the referrer field because you're already coming with our referrals if you click the link below or one someone gave you. Now, once you're inside VT markets, a small screen like this will appear. It doesn't show up for me anymore because I've already filled it out. It's for your personal information. Just like with Enaria, you need to fill in your details, okay? Use your real data that matches your ID card. If you've filled in your data, a page like this will appear where you'll need to select MetaTrader 5, then standard STP and USD. Scroll down, accept the terms, and click Send. The next page you'll see is this one, where you'll need to proceed with identity verification. Here you're already in the broker, and here you definitely need to complete the KYC, okay? Which is simply so they know that you're the one linked to this account, and you can do it with your ID card. Good. Once you're on this page, on the next screen here, you'll need to verify, okay? And you'll choose what works best for you. How can you verify? Well, with your ID card, of course. Continue with this device, select all countries except the United States if you're not in the US, and start filling in your personal information here, then click Continue. Next is the type of documentation you'll provide, with the ID card being the easiest option. And here, you'll take a photo, or if you have it on your computer, simply upload the files. I recommend just taking a clear photo of the front and back, okay? If it's blurry, they won't accept it. It must be very clear. From your computer, upload it here, okay? If you're using your phone, it's the same process. Just place the front of your ID card clearly visible, and then the back. You'll need to upload both photos, the front and back of your ID. It's very simple. Once you've submitted everything, it will take a few seconds to verify your personal information, and if everything checks out, you'll get verification. Great, you've done it. Your profile is verified, the photos were good quality, so congratulations. You now have your liquidity provider. Okay, now it's very easy. What we need to do next, I encourage you to explore the entire platform, okay? We'll make a video explaining each section later, but for now, that's not necessary. What we want is to put the technology and AI to work with our money. What we'll do is click on Deposit here at the top, and here, we'll enter, for example, $1,000, okay? First of all, I should mention we've put in $1,000 because for these free 1-month trials, it has to be between $1,000 and $3,000, okay? That's how it is right now. We're going with the minimum, which is currently $1,000. Later, I don't know if they'll create a pool so people can contribute, and $300, $200 to a pool and participate, but for now, we'll do it this way. The process will be the same. Here, as you can see, you have tons of cryptocurrencies to deposit funds and even Apple Pay. But, well, I think this broker is great for those of us with cryptocurrencies because we can fund it easily, okay? With all of this, you can also use credit cards and such. But anyway, we've used USDC Arbitrum from our cold wallet in this case. We click Continue, and here you'll see an important note reminding you to pay close attention to this procedure because with crypto, the custody and responsibility ultimately falls on you. There's no bank backing you up. So make sure you're sending to the correct wallet address. Always check the first and last numbers, then go to your wallet, paste the address, make a withdrawal, and send whatever amount you want. Just make sure it matches what you've selected, okay? Whatever option you've chosen. USDC Arbitrum. Arbitrum is the blockchain and USDC is the stablecoin that's worth $1, okay? Click Pay Now and you're done. You'll receive it in about an hour at most.